going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm actually going to be doing some more transfers from Ninja Transfers. Like I said when I was doing their sample pack, that I was going to order my own transfers. So they came in about 2 days. I'm about probably 2 hours away from them. I have custom shirts I got to do for one guy. The colors are on point. I know I was seeing in the comments that people were saying their colors are on point. The colors are good. I just got 2 of them. This one is just for a personal shirt. So I got that. The colors are on point with that. I'm not going to press this one up today. I'll probably get a short out for that. But like I said, I wanted to try my own transfers before I went, purchasing for customers. So I'm going to try for the one customer I have is a close friend of mine. I'm going to try out the transfer on that. He needs it for, a weekend thing. The other transfer is the same thing. The person needs it for a weekend thing. And I wanted to try out their transfers just for myself before I actually start using them for customers, big customers or big jobs. So they gave me the instructions for it. Came in it with the parchment paper. So I'm going to set up the press. I have it heating up now. They want it at 300 degrees for 12 to 15 seconds, medium pressure. So I got everything going right now. I'm going to move the camera over so you guys could see me pressing this shirt up. And then I'll look at it. This is a bigger print than I did with their sample pack. So I'll be able to see with this, if I like them. And then probably I'll keep ordering off them if I have, good quality, good color, everything like that. Wash test, everything like that, I'll check out. I usually do my own wash tests over and over before I even offer things to my customers. I'll do wash tests on things at least 50 to 60 times. So I'm gonna get the camera set up and press this shirt up. Okay, so got my shirt laid out here. I'm gonna hold these directions up here. Hopefully you guys can see them. That way you can read everything. These came to me probably about 2 days. So I set my press for 294 for 13 seconds with medium pressure. This is only my second time besides their sample pack. This is my second time pressing up one of their transfers. So I'm gonna lint roll it. I went a little bit down with the temperature on this. This is a poly cotton mix. So I'm gonna pre-press it. I'm only at 287 right now, but I just wanna pre-press it, get the wrinkles out of it. I only do a pre-press for about 5 seconds. Make sure we're all lined up here. I'll hold this up at the end when I'm done. Let's see. Let me get my little measuring thing here. Just to center it up. Just gonna check to make sure. All right, I got everything centered up here. Just wanna make sure I'm good. All right, we're good. I'm gonna go 3 to 4 fingers down from the collar, which is right here. Okay, good. Just making sure everything's straight. We're right where we need to be at. Let me check it, make sure. Like I said, this is Ninja Transfers. So no cover sheet. We're doing the cover sheet afterwards. I always let my press go about a second longer. I gotta let that cool. I'm gonna let that cool and then I'll peel it off. All right, so this should be cool enough now. It's cool to touch. So I'm gonna peel it off. Okay, everything came off the transfer sheet. And it says put my parchment paper on it. Pull this back down. And it says to hit it again for another 12 to 15 seconds. Or is it 12 to 15 seconds to get the shine out. A lot of the DTF that I use, it says to hit it again with either parchment paper or butcher paper or anything, or a Teflon sheet. There you go. I'll hold it up. Okay guys, so like I said, it was only my second time. Well, my first time with my own transfers. There you go. Came out real good. That's just the way the shirt is. So I can hold it up there. I'm impressed with them. Like I said, I'm gonna try a couple more of my own things. And here's the other one I got. This is ninjatransfers.com. So that's the other one I got. Hold that up there so everybody can see it. I mean, the colors, every color in that is the color that I put in Adobe Illustrator. So this is exactly what I did. I wanted it to look like that. This is how I made. This is everything that the customer wanted. So there you go. So that was just a quick video on Ninja Transfers again. So if you guys would like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna keep coming out with some more of this t-shirt content. I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, peace.